U.S. Supreme Court issuing a decision that could upend the future of affirmative action programs across the country. We're looking into how the ruling will impact our area. Good evening and thanks for choosing ABC6 tonight. I'm James Wilcox.
And I'm Robin Wolfram. Now, in a 6-3 ruling today, the United States Supreme Court struck down affirmative action in college admissions. The High Court calling the affirmative action unconstitutional.
ABC6 News reporter Theodore Tollefson looked into how this could affect college admissions going forward. Theo, you spoke with two colleges today, both with ties to Rochester. What are they saying about this decision?
James, Robin, the colleges I spoke to were Augsburg University, which has a small campus here in Rochester, and Luther College, which has a study-away semester program in Rochester. Now, they said that this decision will not impact their admissions so much as they take a holistic approach to how they let students in.
So the decision today is basically saying that race can no longer be used as part of the process for admissions, and Augsburg was already not using race in the admissions process.
The conservative majority made the decision in a 6-3 vote. From 1982 to 1990, now Justice Clarence Thomas was the chair of the Equal Opportunity Employment Commission and said in 1988, any form of affirmative action is, quote, a neurotic of dependency. Affirmative action first began in higher education in 1969 at Harvard University and has been used to help increase a diverse student body, but it isn't the only method colleges are using to bring in students. A holistic approach like the ones used at Augsburg University and Luther College include academic performance, community service, and letters of recommendation, among other things.
So we're really looking at factors that are not tied to the specific case. But at the same time, we are very committed to bringing in a diverse student body. We do have about 22% of our student body that is from more diverse backgrounds, both internationally and domestically. And we're committed to that as part of our mission-driven activity on campus.
Augsburg had a lot of things in place already, so I think we were already operating in a way that did not use race as part of the admissions process.
The court's decision will only bring small changes to these two schools moving forward.
It really does not impact the way that we take the holistic review process seriously here. If anything, what will be the outcome of this is taking the time to really document our process so that it is clear that we don't consider race or ethnicity in our decisions.
Now, we did hear back from sources within the Minnesota State College system, and they said that their 26 colleges and 7 universities will also be in the same boat as Augsburg and Luther and not impacted much by this decision. Live in Rochester, Theodore Tollefson, ABC6 News.